Y'all, what's good, what's good, what's good? I am back again in quarantine, day 3, still here, still thriving, doing the thing. What's good? Now, I got some things in the mail for Missleidy, you know? But let me tell you something. We got this rigmarole trashy box. Let me tell you, the sender didn't send like this. This was all UPS is doing. Look at this. They wrapped this worse than a meal from Thanksgiving from that auntie that you definitely do not like. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this. But before we unbox, I got to shout out the homie James. He is amazing. I'm going to put his Instagram right here. And super on it. He packed this box super nicely because I sent him some pictures after I received this. So I was like, this is not right. And he was like, I didn't box like this. And I was like, I know, because he's been super on it and super amazing. So this definitely isn't a visual of how James works. This is definitely UPS doing the buffoonery and the tomfoolery by getting this package over to me like this. So definitely go check out James. He has some amazing rare succulents and cacti. So definitely keep an eye out for him. And I need to shout out Miss Botany Spears for hooking me up and connecting me with James, because I've been wanting this little planty for a minute. So I'm putting her Instagram right here. Give her a little like, give her a little shout out. What's goody? But without further ado, let's get into it, because I know what you're here for. You're here for the plant unboxing. What's good? How y'all doing? All right. Let me get a knife and let's get into it. I'm gonna take off this saran wrap, this foolish saran wrap. I don't know what they thought. I really hope the plants are okay. James was super sweet, and he was like, if the plants are damaged, that he would send me another one or give me a refund. And I'm really just hoping the plants are okay, because I know that this was not his fault. It was definitely UPS. So we're gonna be sending a claim to them, just a heads up. But let's see. But you know what? At least they wrapped it up with some plastic, because guess what? No glove, no love. I'm taking off the tape off the ends of this so-called box. Where can I get this? Okay, some technical difficulties with this unboxing. Okay, here we go. All right, y'all ready? Let's see. Okay, we got all the colors of the gay rainbow up in here. What's good? I don't even think there's plants in here. Wait, is there anything in here? We got some tissue paper. This is literally what I received. Let's see if there is anything in this unboxing. Not a damn thing. Not a thing. Okay, wait. I think we have something. I really thought they were gonna play me for a second. I just see. Oh, yeah, I'm pretty excited. The plant actually looks like it's in good condition. Alright, first and foremost, yes! Okay, so if you guys don't know, wait, let me take out the second one. So if you guys don't know, this is a Diuna Dual. And oh my god, they actually both look like they are alright. This little one looks a little damaged. She's looking a little wonky, but what's good? They can't all be perfect. And I think, I'm not really sure. We'll see. But look at these two beauts. So cute. We do have some damage on the leaves, which is a bummer, because these do grow very slowly. But what's good? Not really mad at the condition, but these really do suck. But whatever. You know, you can't win them all. So thank you, James, for these. They look beautiful. And for UPS, you can kiss my big Cuban. Now, thank y'all again for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and follow. And we'll be back with you in a couple of days because we're in quarantine and we ain't got much else to do. So, see y'all later.